Hey guys, good morning. Say good morning, babe.
Morning.
So I'm wearing a hat today, and so is him because we are about to harvest some fresh veggies in our garden. Yay! Guys, pardon our faces because we just woke up and we haven't even washed our faces yet. So let's go. It's so hot outside. Agoy. Alright. So, ang akong basket, hawd ka dako. Manghinaot ta, nga mapuno.
Sky first.
Mhm. You can put it in my hand. Okay, a lot of them. Let's harvest it. Alrighty. Harvesting chili first. Careful with the flower. Thank you, Chili. You did awesome.
This one too?
I don't need it later on.
Yeah.
So from the small tree in the pot, it's like third batch of harvest already, like this amount. So imagine guys, that small chili tree. Oh my god, amazing. How about the cherry tomato? I saw some reds already. Not red,
It's not really.
not yet. There are some reds. Okay, go ahead.
You gotta be really red.
Look, there's the big bee. Hopefully, he will not bite us. Go to the okra, baby. To the okra. To the okra. Please don't bite us, bee. My God, we're not here to hurt you. We're here to harvest. Okay, Dera, here, babe. This like 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Let, this one let's harvest this next week. But this 1, 2, and 3 for today.
Yeah. Bottom.
Oh, not so bottom. It's okay. Doesn't matter. That. Oopsie. Okay. One more. The big one. Alrighty. What else? Okay, let's proceed. See you next week.
Oh, look at
See you
the
next week.
ants.
Oh, the ants. Oh my god. No worries. I will spray water later. I sprayed earlier. They're so fast, huh? What else? Where else? Go. Oh, this one. Only one. Leave the other one. Only one, the big one.
I think it's torpedo basically.
Eee. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's one, the huge one. Here. That one, okay. Our hats are kissing each other. Oh, see? And hold on, babe. This one is ready too. This. Careful. All right. And then move forward, baby. Ooh, there's a lot in here. All right. Look. 3, baby. 3 from here. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 from here. Okay? 1,
Let's see.
2. Okay, go. No, we will not put everything. We will make an okra adobo. Remember we have eggplant? Yeah. Don't let it fall, please. Okay, one more.
What? This one?
Oh, not yet?
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's green already.
Take torpedo. Leave one. See how much it So big, baby.
There's one there. No, it will become so hard, baby, that we can no longer eat it if it's, if we're late. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 okra.
This means
Huh?
therapy is
What?
therapy is fine,
Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go to the moringa. Babe, I saw one baby eggplant here. Look. She made it. Here. Moringa. Let's get 3 leaves because we will cook mango soup today. 3 leaves. From the bottom. Okay. Okay. From the bottom, the very bottom.
14?
Oh, 3. Like, 3, baby. Those. Okay, the other one. Okay. Okay. We have 3 moringa. Babe, some lettuce, because I will eat lettuce snack. I will continue watching the Korean series, so I need snack. Lettuce. Well, should we just grab it like that? Oh, I like the babies. Oh, this one, I like this. Can I have some? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, lettuce. Fresh na fresh. Uy, wala na upaw. Give me that. The baby wants baby, I guess. I like the baby one. Oopsie. Oopsie. Last time, guys, I finished like 1 big bowl of lettuce leaf while I'm watching movie. I dip it with Korean chili paste. So good. I still have the leftover Korean chili paste in the fridge, and that's I'm gonna be using for dipping sauce again. So excited. You want some too, baby? Like lettuce snack? Huh? Babe?
Maybe.
Yep, if you want some, so let's get some more. Okay, thank you, lettuce. Give me that. Oh, give me that. Yours are like old leaves. You like older leaves better?
Yeah, eat it.
Oh. For mango soup. Okay. Basil. And now lemongrass, because we need lemongrass for the mango soup. Wait, the lemongrass. Oh, the moringa. Okay. Only one. Choose only one. Which one? Not the babies. Because.
Okay.
Okay, that one. Okay. Alrighty, guys, so these are our harvest for today. Look. Fresh and fresh and organic. Wow. Awesome. Let's get inside, babe. So hot. Look, guys, the temperature is 100. Oh, the humid is not so much, almost 50, but previous days is like 80 something. Okay. Alrighty. Whew, so nice to be back inside. Right, so this is our harvest for today. And then look, my mango soup. Soon to be ready because I'll be cooking mango soup. Alrighty guys, so that's all for our vlog today. Our harvest episode. So yeah, so happy we finally harvest our organic garden. So guys, thank you for joining once again. Bye. Hope you guys are well, happy, healthy. So guys, thank you once again. See you in our next one. Bye bye.